How to pick any color in Davinci Resolve. Open up the Effects panel, click on Generators, and drag a solid color in Timeline. Select the solid color and in the inspector, click on Generator tab. Now in your browser, open up materialui.co website. Here you can find a lot of material design colors that you can use in your project. Just click on a color to copy its code. Now go back to Davinci and paste the code after the hash signal. There is another way that we can find the codes of any color that we can see. Let's say I want this orange color on the screen. Move Davinci to a side of the screen, then click on the color box, then click on Pick Screen Color. Click on the Davinci Resolve interface, then while holding down the click, move the mouse above the color you want. Then click OK. And now we have that color for our solid color. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.